Welcome to your quarterly valuation review for the Barrington, a commercial office asset at 10 to 14 Smith Street, Parramatta, covering the 4 quarters from September 2022 to June 2023. Prepared for you by JLL Valuation Advisory. First, a snapshot of the asset as at the latest valuation. An 11-level office tower with ground floor retail and around 13,000 square meters of net lettable area. It carries strong sustainability credentials, a 5.5-star Neighbors Energy rating, and 4.5-star water. The assessed value is $122 million, down 10% on the quarter. The capitalization rate moved out 25 basis points to 5.75%, while occupancy improved to 81.8%. Across the 4 quarters, the trend tells the story. This overview tracks adopted value, capitalization rate, and occupancy from September 2022 through June 2023. Each point is drawn from JLL's successive valuation assessments of the asset. The headline this quarter is a lower adopted value and a wider capitalization rate. Market value moved from $135.5 million to $122 million, a 10% decline. The midpoint cap rate expanded 25 basis points, consistent with Parramatta prime yields softening. A higher cap rate compresses capital value, even with broadly stable net income. We also widened the expiry capture window from 24 to 36 months, now covering 80% of net lettable area. Here is how the Barrington sits within its market. Parramatta office vacancy reached 24.6%, the highest since tracking began in 1990. Prime effective rents eased slightly, while incentives rose to around 44%, so leasing terms remain tenant favorable. The prime yield range widened to between 5.25 and 6.25%. Against that backdrop, your asset's improving occupancy stands out as a genuine outperformance. Finally, the outlook and what we are watching. The main risk is concentrated income exposure over the next 2 to 3 years, with HSBC, state, and CBRE tenancies in focus. Record submarket vacancy will intensify competition for tenants in the period ahead. On the upside, the asset's strong sustainability credentials continue to support its appeal. We would welcome the chance to discuss these findings and the next steps with you.